Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Used 4x5 reversal film for this emerald jewelry shot. Well, I have this image and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges as always, and I'm going to use these two images to get something interesting, not just a photograph image to make. Okay, well, let's get started. I'm going to make duplicate on this base image, and I'm going to turn this base one of this base image, turn it off to keep it. Then I'm gonna smudge this image with this evolve, this brush for smudging. Okay, shows nice stones, so I'm gonna make it more saturated, nice green color. Well, make it nice stone first. This is a really close up. Just this diamond is pinpoint focused, but just even this distance, it's already out of focus. I got this. To get this close up, use the 4x5 camera. You just upside down the lens, take the lens out from the lens board, then set up the upside down to get this much close up. Now, I'm going to see this pencil drawing type image. I'm going to change the blend mode. Let's see. I kind of like this kind of illustration type image. Nice linear burn or color burn. You see some black lines. It's kind of nice. How about overlay? This is nice too, shining up. Yeah, tone down to 50%. Well, looks pretty good. It goes to amber dark image, or maybe lighten up to nice morning sun by the disk type image. Either way, yeah, I like this color burn type image this time. Color burn 60% or overlay about 50 or so. 60 is alright. Yeah. Okay, now from here though, well, I want to make this emerald to be real nice image. Okay, how about this? Okay, I'm gonna make two different image group. One is, well, duplicate this base image, then I'm going to duplicate this pencil drawing type image, then I'm going to move this base image go up, then just keep it with this. I'm going to change overlay 60%, change rename. This is overlay 60. Then I'm going to rename this one. This is color burn 60. Now select this base image, and also this one goes to group 1, which is 060 group. Then again rename overlay 60. Then now color burn 60. Okay, now what I'm going to do, well, now we are looking at overlay 60 image. Then this is color burn 60. Okay, now just in case, I'm going to keep these 2 images just for keep. So I'm going to duplicate. Then this is normal. So just for normal image. This is pencil type line image. So I'm going to just pencil. Okay, just keep this base image. Then I'm gonna color burn 60. I'm gonna copy this name. Then flatten, paste, color burn 60. Now I'm gonna copy this name again, flatten this image. Okay, this is overlay 60 image. Now we got overlay 60, flatten image, color burn 60. Now I'm gonna make mask. Well, base is this dark one, color burn. Now I'm gonna make mask on this overlay 60. Then invert mask. Then I'm gonna choose brush to reveal. Brush is brushing. Well, get soft blend on this mask. Touch, lighten up this emerald ring, only this much. Okay, now I'm gonna move this base image, go up. Well, okay, I'm gonna duplicate this layer. One for just keep. I'm gonna bring this one here. We'll make it inside of this normal group. This is a smudge base. Okay, this is the base image. I see now. Okay, I'm gonna make this emerald to be real nice color. So I'm gonna make mask, then invert mask, then reveal, well, medium blend. Choose this base image, then curves, we'll lighten up. We only see this emerald, little bit contrast. Then, oh, that's green, huh? Lighten up this gamma. Greens, same thing, little lighten up. Okay, how's it now? Okay, that's nice emerald green. Now we're gonna have some mask. Okay, add layer, then filling white, make mask. Now reveal with black. Find some interesting texture brush, like how about I used this last time, Tony. Let's see. Well, I can make some different variation of this mask. Just this is one, turn this one off. Well, I'm gonna copy this, create, duplicate. Then I'm gonna turn this one off, just one mask. Then clear this. Now make different one. Let's see. Artistic leather wood. since this diary is leather surface, so then change to, yeah, how about drawing evolve? Well, sort of a freehand image. I think kind of fun. Yeah. Well, okay. We got, let's see. This one I haven't just hide this image. We have two different variations of mask. This is one of them, just mask one. Then the other one, I just made this with this frame too. Now, and we have this emerald green, nice green to make this. This one is, I used that overlay 60. It's just spot lighten up this ring surround around here. Then base is this color burn 60 effect. Well, that's about it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate for you guys support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.